Hello. Today I will explain step by step how to create a Facebook business page. Facebook business pages are an extremely effective digital tool for promoting your brand, interacting with your customer base, announcing your products or services. If you want to see more informative content like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our video. First, open your browser and go to the official Facebook page. If you don't already have a Facebook account, you will first need to create a personal account because business pages are associated with individual profiles. On the page creation screen, you will be asked for two basic pieces of information. Page name and category. It is recommended that you write your page name exactly as your business name. You can start in with your business's field of activity in the category section and select one of the suggested categories. For example, cafe, digital marketing agency, or clothing store. In the next step, you will be asked to enter a short about description of your page. In the section, briefly state what your product or service is and why your target audience should follow you. This description will create the first impression of those visiting your page. After creating your page, you should edit the visual sections. While a business logo is usually preferred as a profile photo, you can add a professional image that reflects your brand to the cover photo section. Then add your contact information. Your page is now live, but your work doesn't end there. Add initial content to your page. Create engagement with content such as welcome posts, product or service introductions, customer reviews, or frequently asked questions. Once you have completed all these steps, your Facebook business page will be active and will start representing your brand in the digital world. You can regularly use this platform to strengthen customer communication, increase sales, and reach your brand to a wider audience.